What's up guys, Carl here from SP Tech Gadgets, and today we're here to unbox and take a look at the Xiaomi Yi Dashcam. I bought this camera from Pierce Marketing, a merchant from Lazada, Philippines, and they are nice enough to include the suction cup mount for the camera. The Yi Smart Dash Camera claims to combine many top features of all the dash cameras out there on the market today, and it can provide protection to you and your car with ultimate performance and affordability. So let's make it official and open up this box. When we open the box, we are greeted by the camera itself. Here you go, here's the camera. It sits on that small and compact form factor like the GoPro Hero action cameras. Being small is an essential for dash cameras because you will be mounting it on your windshield, and it shouldn't be big enough to distract you from driving. Here are the paperworks which are included on the box of the camera, and obviously they are written in Chinese, so I cannot understand any of this thing, so I'm just showing it to you. Here's the manuals and some paperwork. And here's that long power cable that you're gonna be hiding within your dash. This cable has a micro USB to standard USB interface in which you're gonna connect to your 12-volt cigarette car charger. The next item from the box is this 2-input 12-volt cigarette car charger. But I'm not gonna be using this because I'm gonna plug it into my FM modulator. Later you're gonna see. And the last item from the box is this adhesive type mount, windshield mount, in case you want a permanent stick. But I prefer to use the suction cup mount just in case you want to remove it in the future. This camera packs a 165-degree ultra-wide angle lens that has an aperture of f1.8 that can shoot videos up to 1080p at 60 frames per second, high-speed recording with night vision. The design of the top and bottom air vent was inspired by a traditional Eastern paper cut art. And at the back of the camera, we can find this 2.7-inch dot matrix LCD screen. It has a resolution of 960 by 240 pixels. The overall design of the camera looks good, and it's almost got an Apple device-like feel to it, compared to this one, which is my old dash cam that only managed to last up to 7 months. The camera will only work and record videos if it is connected to a power source such as my power bank. Here's how the interface looks like, and is very much straightforward and easy to understand on a technical person's perspective. This camera is designed with ADAS, or Advanced Driver Assistance System, in which the camera analyzes data such as speed and the distance of the vehicle in front, and sends real-time audio alerts in events of straying from another lane or driving too close to the vehicle in front of yours. I managed to hide the cable around the windshield through the sun visors to the edge trimmings of the windshield, down to the dashboard, and hid it behind it, under, through my FM modulator, which is 2-in-1 that has also a charger. Here's a daytime sample video at 1080p, 30 fps with sound. And here's a nighttime sample video with the same settings at 1080p at 30 fps with sound. I will let you be the judge of the quality of the video. Finally, you can manage and view recorded videos using the Yi Dashcam app that is connected via the Dashcam's Wi-Fi. The app is available in both iOS and Android. So here's a live feed that you can view from your phone to your camera, and here are the recorded videos. You can also play them. So that's about it, guys. That's the unboxing and overview of the Yi Smart Dash camera. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.